What do you say?
I don't know what she's saying.
Sabi niya mukhang Pakistani daw.
I love you.
In Tagalog?
Mahal.
Mahal
Mahal kita.
kita. Mahal kita. The 18-year-old Mahal kita.
Ayan, mag-hi ka da.
Hi.
Hey, how you doing?
How are you?
Good. How y'all doing?
Where are you from?
US.
What are you
Where are y'all
doing?
from?
Pakita mo si
From
mama, baka mainit.
Philippines.
Philippines?
Yes.
Oh, which part?
Yes, it's far.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
No.
Far away.
No, which part? Which
What are you
part?
doing?
Which part? Is it Luzon or
What part? Luzon.
Luzon? Is it in Manila?
Yes. No. We're in the province.
Oh, I have a couple of Filipino
Where
friends
did you
here.
go in Philippines? What?
I have some friends here that are Filipino. They live in Pangasinan. You know where that is?
Pangasinan, where live in Nueva Ecija.
Oh, wow.
Pampanga is near to us. It's
Pampanga.
almost 2 hours or 3 hours.
Pangasinan, te, tama ka ba?
Pangasinan pala. Sorry, my fault.
What are you guys doing here?
Nothing, we're just finding someone to talk to. How about you?
Same, just bored.
What do you do in life? Are you working or a student?
What do I do in life? I'm
Yes.
working.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 35.
Yeah, boy.
Really?
Ay, putang ina, tama ako
35?
Ano ko 20?
Yeah.
You're not like 35.
He was wrong by one number.
You're like 20 plus.
What about you guys? How old are y'all?
Guess.
Guess.
Yes.
You're probably like 22.
No,
You're 22?
you're wrong.
How old?
I'm 24.
How old is she?
Secret.
She's fresh,
Baka
18.
I'm fresh. No. Ano? Why are you laughing?
You're what?
I'm not kidding.
She's already 18. Fresh just like the car freshener.
Virgin since birth. Ano? Parang be fresh.
She's 17.
She's 17? Oh, okay.
She's a minor. But looks like an adult.
Can y'all teach me Tagalog? Like some
What do you
basic.
want to know? Basic Tagalog. Thank you. Salamat.
Thank you is what?
Salamat.
Salama.
Oh my God! Wow!
And then good morning. Magandang umaga.
Wait, maganda is beautiful, right?
Maganda. Yes. Like me.
Like me.
Like us. And like me. Like us.
All maganda.
Yes.
Very
That's
good.
right.
Yes.
I love you.
In Tagalog.
Mahal kita.
Kita.
And then you're going to like this. Opa.
Like this?
Like this, mahal kita hard.
Mahal kita.
Yes. Heart.
Mahal kita. The 18-year-old Mahal kita.
Sorry. Bless.
She's blushing.
Bless. Nag-title ako, te. Title ako, te.
What's the specialty in what did you say? Where are you from? Nueva
Ecija.
Well, what's the specialty there?
Adobo, sinigang, caldereta, menudo. Do you know what kind of food is that?
I've heard of those food, like adobo and sinigang is like Filipino food, right?
Paano ba specialty ng Nueva Ecija ang pagkain? Frog.
Kumakain pala kayong palaka?
Ay! Nakakapag-Tagalog ka ba? Gusto mo? Oo, kumakain kami ng Nakakapag-Tagalog ka naman pala. Pinahirapan mo pa kami.
Nagmumutat eh.
Okay ba? Okay.
Yes! Nakakapagsalita ka naman ng Tagalog.
Filipino ako.
Ano ba yan? Naprank mo kami. Hindi namin halata. Hindi siya mukhang Pilipino. Mukha
Pero
siyang...
taga na United States siya.
Hindi, nasa United States siguro siya. Mukha
Mm.
kang mukha kang afam talaga. Kaya
Hapa
pala
mo,
ang
hap.
bait mo. Kaya
Hap.
pala ang bait mo kasi yung iban,
Yo,
Oh,
what's
shit.
going on?
Yung hindi mo alam yung step name.
What? What? What happened?
Nothing.
Are you in the Philippines?
Yeah. How about you?
In the US.
Wow.
Oh my God! Wow!
What are you doing on Oma TV?
Hindi ko alam yung sinasabi mo.
What are you doing here?
Wala lang, nakatambay. Anong English lang nakatambay lang?
Hindi, sabihin mo, I'm just chilling.
Ay, alam niya mag-Tagalog. Where are you from?
US.
Are you half Filipino?
Mhm.
Filipino ka pala eh.
Filipino ako to.
Pinapahirapan mo pa ako.
Saan ka sa
Ginagawa niyo dito.
Pilipinas?
Taga Nueva Ecija ako.
Baka naman Ilocano ka pa.
Taiwan Manang.
Ikaw paglalaglag. Grabe ka naman. Pinapahirapan mo pa kanina ako.
Hi kayo sa YouTube, it's a prank lang.
Sige, follow ka namin.
Follow
ka Okay.
namin para madami kang subscriber.
Thank you. Ingat kayo ah.
Say bye. Ingat ka din.
Bye. You again?
Ayan!
Ayan na! Alam mo ba kanina ka pa namin yung hinahanap?
Talagang naghintay kayo?
Hanap ka namin.
Ngayon YouTube ko.
Nag-YouTube ka ba?
YouTube ako.
ka?
Ayan, tinype ko.
Hanap namin doon. Ano yan? Pangalan mo sa YouTube?
Ayan.
Hanapin
Subscribe na lang kayo ah. Baka hindi kayo mag-subscribe.
Ang namin doon.
Ganda niyo dun.
Hindi naman kami
Kaya maganda.
in-update. Oo nga, kapag ka na lang. Kaya ka namin hinanap. Alam mo ba yun? Sabi na lang namin sa'yo.
Kala ko ini-swipe niyo.
Namatay yung cellphone.
Obra naman pala. Nakita ko siya. Obra ka naman palang mag-Tagalog. Hirap na hirap pa kami mag-English.
Alam niyo ba na dyan ako pinanganak?
Hindi. Tinichismis mo kami. Sabi mo,
Dyan,
nandiyan ka sa
dyan.
UK.
Taga, Nueva Ecija ako. Dyan ako lumaki.
Nueva Ecija?
Hmm.
Saan dito?
Secret.
Nakita na kita.
Yan. Paki-subscribe na lang. Half ako, half.
Ay, nag-YouTube mo siya. Ayun o, Ome TV. Nagaganon na siya.
Half ako, half Filipino.
Pero hindi nga seryoso. Dito ka sa Nueva Ecija pinanganak.
Oo, dyan ako pinanganak. Dyan ako lumaki.
Kailan ka napunta dyan sa abroad?
Nung siguro mga 18, 19 years old kami nang lumipat kami. Ba't di na umiimik si ate? Kaya nakadaldal.
Kasi naman, obra naman para kaming kausapin ng Tagalog. Pinag-English mo pa.
Kay-
Parang nakakatawa yung video na yan. Sikat kasi ito sa Gapan.
Sikat yan?
Artista kasi ito sa gabi. Rumarampa siya.
Nako, si Miss Fresh.
Oo, si Miss Fresh.
Miss
Yes.
Fresh.
Milk. Kaya nga pala tawan-tawa siya kanina. Kasi alam niya pala yung mga kagaguhan.
Kanina pa ako sa mura ng mura.
Sabi niya, di ba nagtatanong ka ng mga Tagalog? Di
Ah.
ba?
Tinuturuan ako ng mura.
Kaya siguro
Ang gago na ito.
Salamat.
Nagko-content ako ngayon.
Ang sinabi dat pala nag-ayos man lang tayo no, para pagbalik natin sa ano niya, nakaayos.
Paano magiging prank kung sasabihin?
Shout out sa'yo, kuya!
Mag-shoutout na kayo ngayon. Yeah.
Kala namin ordinaryong tao.
Okay, mag-makeup na kayo. Mag-makeup
Uwi
pa kayo.
na, ito na, nakita na yung pagmumukha namin.
Okay, ingat ah. Thank you. Subscribe na lang kayo ah.
Nag-subscribe na ako.
Yo, thank you. Thank you ah. Thank you. Yo, what's funny? Is something I did?
No, it's not you. The other one earlier.
What are you guys doing on here?
Yeah, it's my friend.
You sisters?
No, my friend.
So what are you guys doing here?
What are you guys doing here?
He's looking for some friends.
Same thing.
Nice to meet you. Will you be one of my friends?
Sure. Are you guys in the Philippines?
Are you guys in the Philippines or?
Yeah, you're basic, right? You're so good.
Nice.
Oh, thank you.
Oh,
I'm not.
no, I'm not.
How do you know it?
I put Philippines
I
in
put
my.
Philippines in my.
Oh yeah. That's how you
Yeah. Because I'm trying to practice my Tagalog.
My Tagalog.
Which part of the
Which
Philippines are you from?
part of the Philippines are you from?
Actually, I live in Visayas, but right now I'm here in Manila.
Oh, nice.
And
Nice.
working here.
Okay. How's it in Manila?
Oh, it was good. A lot of nice views, but it's too hot.
Too hot?
Yeah, it's too hot. No.
What did she say?
What did she say?
She said it's hot like me. And no, I don't.
Your friend is
Your friend is.
naughty.
May I ask how old are you?
Guess?
28?
No, I'm older.
No, I'm older.
Older? But you don't look older.
I'm 35.
What?
What do you say?
I don't know what she's saying.
Sabi niya mukhang Pakistani
Sabi niya
daw.
mga Pakistani daw.
Ano ba?
Sabi niya mukhang Pakistani
Sabi niya
daw.
mga Pakistani daw.
Narinig kita, Adi.
Ano ba yan? Yung utak namin nakastuck pa na sa... Wala. Nagmura ako.
Galing mag-English si Ate.
English si ate.
Parang sabi ko, parang nag-Tagalog siya.
Parang hindi gumana yung brain mo kanina.
Brain mo kanina.
Ano ba yan? Nahihirapan mo pa ako. Taga-saan ka? Yung totoo.
Taga-US talaga ako.
Taga-US talaga ako.
US.
Oo. Pero dyan ako pinanganak.
Diyan ako pinanganak.
Saan? Province? US nga, province ka pa dyan.
Hindi, taga dyan talaga ako noon. Dyan ako pinanganak.
Okay. Kaya para saan mo ako?
Nagpa-prank ako, nag-YouTube ako ngayon.
Nag-YouTube ako ngayon.
Gogi. Ay, upload mo to.
Kung okay lang sa inyo, kung ayaw nyo, okay lang. Sige, upload.
Hindi ko upload.
Go. Huwag mo makikita yung...
Si Ate nahihiya.
Dati nahihiya.
Nagulat na lang ako.
Yeah, thank you ah.
Thank you ah.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Tawa na yan.